Hey guys, what's up everybody? My name is Kiran and back with another video. And in this video, we will be doing the unboxing of Kenstar 1.5 ton 5-star air conditioner. And I have purchased it from Amazon.in. And right now we are unboxing the indoor unit. In the indoor unit box, we get the main unit, user manual, remote, and the water outlet pipe. And right now we are unboxing the outdoor unit. In the outdoor unit box, we get the main unit and the connecting pipe. And this is how it will look like after installation. And this is the connecting pipe and the water outlet pipe. Probably you can see it because they have wrapped it with some kind of fiber tape for extra $100. It look cool, so it's okay. I like the installation part. They have installed it 3 days after the delivery. This is the tax invoice and this is the installation bill. It's Shri Kiran. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching and have a good day.